Lacey Beyer here with the Sweet Pea Chef, and welcome back. I hope you are ready for a delicious holiday recipe because we're going to be making a healthy take on hot apple cider. This is refined sugar-free, it is so easy to make, and it is so good. Your whole family is going to love it, I promise. All right, so let's get started. So in order to get the flavors to really come out and get brought out in this apple cider, I like to roast my spices a little bit before I add my apple juice. So in order to do that, in a saucepan over medium heat, we're gonna add in a few spices to let them get aromatic. So start off with some cinnamon sticks, whole black peppercorns, and some whole cloves. We're just gonna basically stir this occasionally. We wanna cook this for about 2 to 4 minutes until you can really start to smell the spices. Then we're gonna add in some ground nutmeg and we're gonna toss that together as well. We want the flavors to get all nice and toasty together, but the ground nutmeg would burn if we cooked it in the very beginning, so we wanna add it at this point. Then we're gonna add in our unsweetened apple juice and some fresh orange zest, and we're gonna stir all of this together. So we're looking to bring this to a boil, and then once it reaches a boil, you wanna reduce the heat to a simmer, and we wanna cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. The longer you cook this, the more spicy your apple cider will be. The shorter you cook it, the less spicy. So it kind of depends on how you like it and if you want to have that more spicy flavor to your apple cider. You can taste it along the way and see which you prefer. Now that we have it perfectly spiced and hot, we need to remove all of those extra pieces of the flavors that we added, like the cinnamon sticks. So we're gonna pour this over a fine mesh sieve on top of a bowl, and that's gonna remove all of those extra particles that we're cooking and making our apple cider flavorful, but we don't wanna have in our actual drink. So at this point, you can taste the mixture and see what you think. Again, we wanna see if it's sweet enough for you. If it's not, you can add about a tablespoon or so of pure maple syrup to kind of sweeten it up a little bit. Usually I find that at this point I don't need any extra sweetener because the apple juice is already sweet enough from those natural sugars. So you can taste it at this point and add any maple syrup that you want at this point. To serve this delicious hot apple cider, I like to pour it into my favorite mugs. Then I like to top it with a slice of fresh orange, which kind of adds to that extra flavor and aromatics right when you're drinking it. This is a lovely seasonal drink. I love it so much and it's so easy to do. And it is awesome because you can also store it in the fridge, and then when you want to have it, you can just microwave it or heat it up on the stove for a few minutes until it's heated through. And it's so easy to make for a crowd. You can double or triple the recipe. It's a really good go-to holiday drink. So now you have a go-to delicious and easy hot apple cider recipe that you can enjoy with your family. You can make it ahead if you want for a party. It is so easy to make and definitely a crowd pleaser. Plus it has no refined sugar, no refined artificial ingredients. It is just pure, clean, delicious goodness. I love it so much. I hope it gives you the holiday feels. And let me know what your other favorite recipes are for the holidays, what your favorite holiday drinks are in the comments below. So maybe I can make a new one, make it healthy. And I will see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.